I'm just trying to get by. I don't know how you do it.
Hey y'all, welcome to a day in the life of a homemaker. So I'm starting out with what I do every day, which is make the bed, and then I'm just gonna go around the house and get some things straightened up. And later on in this video, we're gonna be cooking, and then I'm also gonna be writing down a list of things I'm grateful for. So I hope y'all enjoy this video and subscribe if it's your first time here. We will be so happy to have you. But with further ado, let's go ahead and get into it.
Need you to say you won't let go. I will keep my heart wide open. All I ask of you, baby, keep the fire burning. Come on, keep the fire burning. I keep losing track of time. I'm barely moving. Pick up the pieces left behind. I hold on to 'em. You make it easy, but every time I fall back again. Tell me all the secrets, 'cause baby I can't see.
I'm putting this set of pajamas to the side. These are perfect for cooler nights, and in North Carolina it's warm during the day but kind of cool in the morning and at night. So I'm just going to throw those on later this evening, and I'm just finishing up putting away the clothes, and I'm running to go get some hangers, and then I'm going to hang up all of the shirts. And what I like to do is actually count how many articles of clothing I need to hang up. That way when I go pull out the hangers, I get the exact amount.
Come on, keep the fire burning.
So Aaron and I went to Food Lion earlier, and so I'm gonna go ahead and just get all of that put away. We got some drinks, some snackies. So we also got some dog food. I'm just gonna get that restocked and get the drinks in the refrigerator. That way our kitchen stays clean. And also I have a bunch of dishes to put away from doing the dishes last night. I have been doing a closing shift where I just make sure all the dishes and stuff like that are done the night before. That way when I wake up in the morning, I am motivated to cook. Speaking of, in the morning I want to make, or Aaron and I might make together, some buttermilk biscuits, like homemade biscuits. So that should be fun to look forward to.
I've been waiting for, I better make it worth my time. So don't you pay them any mind. Close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night. We don't need to slow down. Take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you stay with me, I love you in the dark. So shine on, lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. Let your colors shine now. Let your colors shine now. I'll let you in the dark. I'm waiting in the dark, where I can see you so clear. All we got is here and now. So give it all you got. Don't you pay them any mind. Close your eyes, follow the sound.
So while I was putting away some things, I did go ahead and pull out the sides that we're going to have tonight for dinner. And also I've got my chicken thawing out on the stove top. Last night we both ate what was left of this cake, and it is so dry now, so I'm just going to go ahead and throw out that last piece and get this in the sink. But before I can get it in the sink, I'm just going to go ahead and get all the dry, clean dishes put away.
I don't usually fall for someone. I don't even care who I run from.
The pots and pans I keep in this cabinet were pretty cluttered, so I'm just pulling all of them out before one of them falls on us and then just restacking them. Had to share a thumbs up celebration with y'all that the kitchen is cleaned up now. But before I am done in here, I do want to get this cake dish in the sink. I'm going to put some Dawn dish liquid in there and run some water over it. That way when I go to wash it later on, it's really easy to just wipe off and rinse. Alright, y'all. Aaron's back there talking to his mom. I'll probably get started on dinner tonight. I've got the oven preheated to 375. We're going to make baked potatoes. I showed y'all this earlier. Bush's baked beans, corn, and barbecue chicken. This was only $3.14, and it is the chicken drumsticks. And I think there's 6 in here, so we'll eat all of them because y'all know there's not a lot of meat on those. But I'm wondering if I should spray this first. I don't know, sometimes it gets a little sticky. So I don't know that this is going to help or not. Trial and error, we'll see. But the chicken's the only thing that's gonna go in here, and I probably will cover it because why not? So first, and I know y'all aren't really down here, but I figured maybe you'd want to see like the whole thing instead of kind of just staring at that. So y'all let me know. Okay, there is already gnats in North Carolina. Get out. You know what it is? It's because we have bananas and we need to finish eating them, or we're gonna have to make some homemade banana bread, which we probably could. Okay, I like to stab them with a fork. My stomach's growling already, and these are gonna take a while to cook. No, go on. I thought I got him. I got him then. Okay. Sorry. Alright. Now I'm doing the chicken. And I'm just going to let this cook for an hour. Got our drumsticks. I'm going to do them like they are in here, where they go the opposite direction. Oh wow, okay. I was thinking I could space them out quite a bit, but actually no. We need to bring them closer together. Okay. Go. And here we go. Okay. So this is all I'm going to do. And then about 15 minutes before they're done, I'll pull them out and put the barbecue sauce on them. I gotta wash my hands. Alright, I'm gonna get some aluminum foil over the chicken and on these potatoes. We'll do the corn and the beans about 15 minutes before the chicken and potatoes are done as well. Alright, I'm going to get this in the oven. And our potatoes. There we go. It has been a while since I have sat down and wrote down a list of things that I'm grateful for, and today I'm really wanting to do that. So that's what we're doing right now. I think this is such a good exercise to do just whenever you feel like you need it. You can go back and read it, or you can make a whole another list all over again. So I'm just starting with the most important things, which is family, and then I'll work myself down to like the less important things, like materialistic things. But just whatever you are thinking of that you're grateful for, write it down, and it will just help switch your mind to a more positive way of thinking, and just allow you to feel like there's a lot of good things going on in your life.
This night will last. So you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch. Baby, I so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy. But baby, I so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Baby, I so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy. But baby, I so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Baby, I so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy. But baby, I so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Baby, I so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last.
Alright, I'm going to read my list. So I got Aaron, mom and dad, my sister and brother, all of my extended family, Megan, these are like my closest friends, or people that I talk to all the time, Megan, Faith, Maria, Kat, and Nadia, all of my friends and acquaintances, all my internet friends, which is y'all, our house, we always have more than enough, nature, wildlife, domestic animals, which includes our pets, health, sparks of creativity, vehicles that run, food in all capital letters, because obviously I love food, being able to work on YouTube. The light green ones are not even really showing up on camera. discipline, because motivation really only gets me so far. Being able to learn and grow my box fan, which this is not actually a box fan. It's a circle fan, I guess, but you know what I mean. I love having a fan because I cannot sleep with silence. All of my garden stuff, including when we do garden, and then I put decor and shopping. LOL. There's so much more, but I figured that was enough for today. Pulled the chicken out and put some barbecue sauce on it. Took that off. I'm going to leave that off. Put this back in. The potatoes still need some time to cook. Especially one of them. It's like huge. So I'm going to put this back in the oven and just let it keep cooking. Because I can't remember if I put these in at 324 or 352 or 54. Something like that. I got the numbers mixed up. Yeah, which I did cut one in the middle and it looks done, but I'm going to let it at least cook for a little bit longer and go ahead and start on our sides. So for the corn, it was a can of corn. I drained the water and added a little bit of chicken broth and then a little bit of butter, and then I've just got the can of beans in here because it's already flavored. I've took our barbecue chicken out. Looks done. The potatoes feel done, which means the chicken probably is done, because I thought the potatoes would take longer. And I've got 4 rolls in there. So it says it takes 6 minutes, 6 to 10 minutes, depending on how brown you want it. So I'm going to turn this down to 350, because that's what the bag said. And our beans are just simmering away. And the corn. I did add, I don't know if I told y'all, pepper and seasoned salt to the corn. Alright, here's the spread. I'm going to fix my plate and show you what it looks like. Alright, there's dinner. It's crazy how big a potato is when you mush it up like that. It took up almost half the plate. I had to shove it kind of together. But I saw in the packaging that they cut a slit in the roll and then put their butter in it like that. So I'm going to do it like that this time. But I've already tasted everything. Everything is good. This is like, this reminds me of home. I feel like my mom would make something like this. So it's going to be enjoyable. If you eat this, I know it's pretty basic, but let me know if you end up remaking this. So the plan for tomorrow's video is to go thrift shopping and look at the decor that they have, and then probably some more like just regular homemaking, and then also I want to make some buttermilk biscuits from scratch. So if that interests you, subscribe, and I will see y'all back here tomorrow for that video. Bye.